Using robe curls and a hairbrush, I grab my headband, I fold it in half so that the ends are even. There's a crease in the middle now. I place the crease centered and with the wire facing forward. I wrap around the end of the headband around half of the hair to secure the headband in place. And working on the other side, I grab my hairbrush to brush all of my hair forward. This is going to help add a lot of volume at the roots and make you look like a troll doll. And now I place my headband so that it is over all that hair that is just brushed forward with the wire facing forward. I grab the front section. With the front section, I wrap it over and under like you normally do. And then I add another section right underneath the first, combine it to the first, wrapping it over and under the headband. And then you're at the ear, so I just combine all the hair that's left into one large section, wrapping it around the headband until all the hair is wrapped up, and I'm going to secure it with a scrunchie. As you can see, it's really adding all the volume at the roots by pulling your hair forward before you start wrapping. We just repeat this on the other side now. All right, it might look a little silly, but don't worry. With robe curls, you can twist to tighten, and that'll help reduce the poof we just saw. And now you can simply twist the ends together because robe curls has that awesome wire and secure it into a headband and wear this for a couple hours. And now here are the results after about 3 hours of wear. I'm seriously shocked by how much volume my hair has.